Hello again, TankScan fans. In this video, we'll show you how to change and select columns from your tank grid view. So again, in this case, you just need view privileges. No need for admin privileges here. And from this tank's grid view, you can go ahead and select a column, and you can move them into any order that you want. And you can also hit this Actions drop-down menu, and you can select or deselect additional columns. So say you just want to use %full and full. We can reduce all of these out of here. I like to leave last report so you know it's fresh data. I like to leave the name and the status. And with that, we've got a much simpler looking view here. And we might just put the name over there, and you can also change the width of these columns. So that is how you change and select columns of your TankScan view. As always, please join us for more and other TankScan videos.